Welcome to the Awanio Vapor Enterprise. In this demonstration, we'll guide you through attaching an NVIDIA vGPU, a virtual graphics processor, to a virtual machine. First, let's inspect our available vGPU profiles. Under Virtualization, select vGPU devices. Here, you'll see various profiles based on the physical GPU installed on the host, in this case, an NVIDIA Tesla T4. Each profile defines specific allocations for VRAM, display outputs, and frame buffers. Now, let's attach a vGPU to an existing virtual machine. We select Debian 13 GPU, click Edit, and navigate to the Advanced tab. Under NVIDIA vGPU Mediated Device, click plus Add vGPU Mediated Device. Open the Profile Selection menu to view options matching your workload requirements. For this instance, we'll select the Grid T4-2B profile with 2 GB of VRAM, then click Add. Next, proceed to the Review step to verify the configuration, then click Update VM. Once updated, we start the virtual machine. Click Console to view the boot process via VNC. Wait for the operating system to finish initializing, then log in using your credentials. Type command line NVIDIA strip smi space -q pipe grep space -I space vegpu in the terminal to verify the active vGPU mode. You will see vGPU information in the terminal output. And that's it, see you in another video.